Here's the demonstration video for the Parent Room Total Body Workout by Heather Dixon. First, we have a goblet squat. Hold the weight up at your chest to increase the work from your core. Make sure you squat as low, close to 90 as you can, keeping your chest lifted. Try to avoid rounding forward as much as possible. Again, the weight is always optional. If you prefer, you can change the grip so that weight is held lower, which might make it a little easier. Next, we have a bent over row. To do this, you hold the weight with one hand, hinge at your hip, and pull with your elbow, driving the weight back towards your hip. It's really important that you try to make sure that your shoulder doesn't shrug by your ear and your elbow flare out to the side. I love doing this one arm because it increases the challenge in your balance and your core engagement. Again, make sure you have the space between your shoulder and your ear. Next, we have plank shoulder taps. I'm showing you on the bench, but you could very well do this on the floor if you're more advanced. The goal of this is to keep the rest of your body as still as possible. If you find your hips dipping side to side, simply bend your knees and bring your feet in closer to your hands. If you are more advanced or want an extra challenge, you could add a push-up in between your shoulder taps. Sometimes I find that having my feet spread wider helps with balance too. Next, we have a hip thrust. This is designed for your backside, so you lean into the bench about mid-back, keeping your neck in line with your spine. Squeeze your glutes, make a fist, and press into your feet as you lift your hips. If you're really good, you can go ahead and hold your hips up high, nice and steady, and march your feet. Last but not least, a weighted dead bug. This you should feel in your lower core especially. Make sure you keep your low back pressed into the floor. I'm shaking my head no because I felt my back pop up as my foot was lowering, which sometimes happens. If your back keeps popping up, tuck your hips and maybe don't lower your feet quite so far. If you give this workout a try, I'd love for you to tag me on social media at HeatherDoesHealthy365, and don't forget to use the link to sign up to get 3 more bonus workouts you can do on your own.